what was going on.
Yeah,
When I wrote this,
the long distance runner.
and recorded this.
Check it, yeah. It's 2004. Last year, Tony and George started the war with the horse. Same year, and the year before, plus the year before that, me and the troop were on constant tours, chanting and boomba from the South African shores to the Norwegian fjords. I'm trying to keep a vegan course, traveling with good friends and chords. Tim Buck and DJ Large, Johnny Bass and Big Boss. Before the struggle album at the record stores, we were on a road to hell, breaking doors and laws. Me, Supreme Gangsta P and Shoo Me, of course. Had a little trouble with the German police force. That's why I had to stop drinking, cause when I start drinking, it's when I stop thinking that I gotta stay on top of things. And when I'm under the bottle, you know I stop to think. Like an athlete, a long distance runner, on a track meet, spring, fall, winter, summer. They attack me, but they gon' make me stronger. Get at me, dog, when your patience longer. An athlete, a long distance runner, on a track meet, spring, fall, winter, summer. They attack me, but they gon' make me stronger. Get at me, dog. Living in this free world, expecting cops to abuse me when I'm chilling with the cup full of muesli. Matter of time for my cup is running over, but I'ma get mine cause motherfuckers running slower. Following my sprinter trail, I run shit down the line on the interrail. I ain't going, I ain't been to jail. I got work to do and I got things to say. You're real role model for the kids today. Can't afford getting sent away. Get them fingerprints away. Wipe off the mic every single stain. Recognize bomb shit when it's in the mail. What's a big disgrace? What's a big bum bum? You had to end this way. All you ever wanted to was to entertain. When against the wrong